Welcome to another MorganBros video. We're going to be doing a spinner reveal / review on our first prototype. It is a copper spinner with a old steel bearing in it right now, but we ordered some new ceramic ones. This is our first attempt. We were tired of looking at all the ones online that were way overpriced for what they were and their quality. You got the China-made stuff that was garbage. And then you got the American-made stuff, which was awesome, but was too expensive for us, so we decided to make our own. I mean, it's made out of a solid piece of copper, and it's got the ball bearing right there, and it's weighted on the ends. That way, it spins a little bit longer. It's got the, the outward weight. And you can see it spin. It spins all right. We don't have the caps in right now. We're working on getting the design worked out for those. We had our first attempt. It went okay, but we didn't really like how it turned out, so we're going to remake the caps and, get them going. And if you guys want to leave some comments saying, what you would pay for something like this, and if you would be interested in,
more ideas.
Yeah, any
designs
tips, if any of you guys, have made your own spinners and, you think that we should change our design or
material,
add anything, if copper's not good, if aluminum's better, whatever you guys got, we'll take it. I mean, right now it's okay, but like I said, this is our first attempt, so, we didn't expect much. It's actually turned out a lot better than what I expected. I mean, we'll do a little spin test right here, just to show you guys, that it does spin. It spins pretty good. But, like I said, this is with a shitty bearing that we found in a pile of fucking junk at the shop, so I think once we get the new bearings in, that it's going to spin a lot better. And as you can see, we took the caps off the bearing. Usually there's the caps covering the little balls in there. We took those off just to clean it. We used acetone to clean out all the old nasty shit that was in there. And then, what kind of lube did we use, or did we not lube it?
This one's lubed with Wall hair trimmer lube, which is good because it's more for fast-moving parts, which is what that is. Yeah,
like Wall, like you're cutting your hair, that kind of lube, like for your.
Which it comes with like grease in it, which is not what you want.
Grease is good for like long time performance, but with a spinner you don't really want long time performance. You're just you're not really putting a lot of stress on it. You're just spinning it. There's no real pressure. You're just holding it and spinning it. So it should be fine with lube instead of the grease.
Yeah.
So that's why we use the acetone to get all that nasty grease that's been caked in there.
See if you can show them how you can remove the bearing. So if it ever does wear out,
you just push it out.
Yeah, you can just push it out. So then if it ever does wear out, you can easily just buy a new one and push it right back in. So you don't have to buy a whole new product.
And like if you guys got skateboard bearings, that's the size that it's going to be. So you get tired of your ceramic bearing, you get tired of your steel bearing, you think it's getting wore out, you want to try something different, you can always just pop it out.
Pop a new one in.
Pop a new one in, and then it's good to go.
Yep.
Oh. See if you can get back in here.
I had to push him pretty hard when I did it the other day.
But this is a good thing. This isn't a flaw. You don't want to be spinning it and it falls the fuck out, and then you look like a goddamn idiot.
No. Definitely not.
You might have to use like a hammer just to tap it in there or something. But we designed it so it would fit like that because we think that that's the way that they should be made. But yeah, let us know in the comments what you think. Any tips, any feedback you guys got. This is our first real video, so we know it's shitty. We know it's not going to be good, but just let us know if there's any tips, like talking-wise, if you can't hear our voices, or if you want to see us, our faces doing this, if you don't just want the hands. And, if you think that we need more lighting, which we know the lighting's pretty shitty. Whatever you guys think, just let us know in the comments. And we'll definitely leave you guys feedback. And if you guys are interested in, spinners or whatever, just let us know. We're going to start trying to make them. Like, we might give some away if the channel grows enough. We might just give a couple away. Whatever you guys want.